Hi, this is Samya Suri and you're watching me on Femina. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
I'll begin with applying a concealer all over the eyelid and blending it out with the finger. Apply a light brown color in the crease line and blend it in circular motions. Now add a darker brown color to the outer corner of the eye. This will help to intensify the look. Apply a pigment of a dark tone over the eyelid. Finishing the eye makeup with a smudged liner. Repeat it on the other eye. Applying a nude pencil in the waterline. Apply your foundation with a brush in downward motion. And blend it out with a beauty blender. Conceal dark circles or blemishes, if any. Lock the concealer using a setting powder. Apply a compact and set the foundation. Apply a bronzer to the hollows of your cheeks and jawline. Add a dusky color of the blush. Give that waterline a pop by using a vibrant color. I'm using green here. Groom and fill in your brows. Stretch out the color from the outer corner of your eye. Apply a warm highlighter on the high points of your face. Cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. Use a dark nude gloss for the lips. Apply mascara. Last, spray the makeup fixer and you're done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.